Drinking warm water with blue salt before bed is the secret that men of all ages are using to regain their bedroom performance. If you've seen your partner frustrated, trying everything, and always coming up with the same old excuses, pay close attention to this secret. For years, I watched my husband suffer with this embarrassing problem: expensive pills, doctors saying it's normal for his age, and worst of all, frustrating nights and the feeling of failing as a man. But this 15-second salt trick changed everything. I admit, I doubted it at first, but after he tried it, I was shocked by the results. In just 1 week, my husband went from total frustration to unforgettable nights. The man I thought was gone came back stronger than ever. And you know what's worse? The ED market doesn't want you to know about this. The industries that make billions from the little blue pills are furious about the popularity of this simple and effective trick. That's why the video explaining everything is always at risk of being taken down. I've left the link to the official video pinned in the comments and description. Click, watch, and discover how to say goodbye to frustration and feel your husband like a real man again. But be quick. The video might be taken down at any moment. This could be your last chance to discover the secret.
Could you notice the difference?
Absolutely, yes.
Good difference?
Yeah, it's bigger. It's definitely bigger.
Yeah?
It is.
It's crazy, isn't it?
It is insane.
What would you say is the biggest difference that you noticed?
It's girthier.
Girthier?
It's got girth.
And when I told you that I was going to do it, what did you say?
I was skeptical. I was like, oh, come on.
You also said I didn't need it.
I also said you didn't need it, but
Now that I did it,
yeah, it's definitely, I can definitely, absolutely tell the difference.
good?
Mm-hmm.
Good?
Yes, good.
Good. So, any guy out there that's like insecure about his size or just wants to be like bigger, would you recommend
Yeah,
Bath Meat?
I would, absolutely, yes. I mean, you've used it, you've lived it, you've went through the process, and
Yeah.
you know it works.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Want me to keep using it?
I think we're good where we're at. We don't
What?
need anything else. We're
No,
good.
no bigger?
Yes.
I'm going another 30 days.
Okay.